Are you ready to fill your gastro with Pesang Tilapia? Tilapia is the kind of fish which is very abundant here in the Philippines, one of the cheapest, and almost every day you can see it on the market. Other ingredients here are ginger, onions, and veggies. But what I am cooking here as a twist because I added some buckwheat, so you don't need rice. It is a type of seed called a pseudo cereal, most common in Russia and China. It is a good source of protein, fiber, and carbohydrates. Thanks to my friend who gave the buckwheat. Experience Gastro World. Yummy!